Did you know that your menstrual cycle can actually be a superpower for success? Your menstrual cycle isn't just about that time of the month. There are 4 main phases, and each phase brings unique strengths. Knowledge is power, especially in this area. Let's unlock the secret to using your menstrual cycle to boost productivity and achieve your goals like never before. Hi there, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Ready.SET.SHINE. If you're new here, my name's Marija Anukege. I'm an entrepreneur, VIP women's coach, marketing expert, wife, mom, and much more. But today, I'm here just for you to show you how to live your best everyday life and be your best self as a busy woman as you are. In this video, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and empowering. Can we women first of all give ourselves a big round of applause? Aren't we just great? While men only go through one big change in their hormonal balance, the puberty, we women experience such a big change every few years in our lives. There is puberty, a time when our first menstrual cycle begins and everything changes. And then, for many women, it continues with the next hormonal change, the pregnancy. Perhaps even with several pregnancies. And if you have to give nature a helping hand to get pregnant, there are often various hormone therapies that a woman has to undertake. And then, after each pregnancy, the hormones go crazy again for months until they are back in balance. And as soon as the body has regained its balance, of course, with all the monthly fluctuations of the natural menstrual cycle, the premenopause comes knocking at the door. And it doesn't come along. It brings along its friends, sweats, brain fog, mood swings, and many more invited guests. And at some point, you made it and the menopause sets in. And in addition to all these physical and mental changes, every few years, we women somehow manage to live our lives with all its challenges. We manage to look after our loved ones, we manage to have a career, and be a valuable member of society. I mean, duh. Back to topic. I truly believe that the period can be a superpower if you use it correctly. I myself have recognized this for several years now and have successfully implemented it in my life. So in order for you to also be able to benefit from this superpower, it is first important to understand your menstrual cycle. So let's take a look at the facts. So in today's video, I am talking about the average menstrual cycle, which is 28 days. So every cycle has 4 phases: menstruation, follicular phase, ovulation, and luteal phase. Each phase affects your energy levels, focus, and creativity differently, offering unique opportunities for productivity and self-care if you manage these phases correctly. Let's now take a close look at each of these phases. Phase 1, the menstrual phase. This phase begins on the first day of your period. Your energy levels might be at their lowest and your body is shedding the uterine lining. So in this phase, it's all about reflection and rest. Journaling, planning, and low energy tasks are ideal. Use this time to set intentions for the upcoming month. Phase 2, follicular phase. So what's happening here? After your period, your energy levels start to rise. Your body is preparing for ovulation and estrogen levels increase. So in this phase, it should be all about creativity and planning. Tap into your creativity and planning skills. Brainstorm new ideas, start new projects, and engage in activities that require innovation. This is your time to shine in creative pursuits. Phase 3, the ovulatory phase. So what's happening here? Around the middle of your cycle, ovulation occurs. Your energy peaks and you might feel more social and confident. In this phase, it's all about communication and connection. Focus on communication and networking. Schedule important meetings, presentations, and social events in this phase. Your confidence and verbal skills are at their highest, making this the perfect time to connect and collaborate. Phase 4, luteal phase. After ovulation, progesterone levels rise and you might start to feel more introspective. So in this phase, it should be all about completion and focus. Use this phase to complete tasks and focus on detail-oriented work. It's also a good time to evaluate ongoing projects and tie up loose ends. It's important to listen to your body and balance productivity with self-care. And now that you know all the 4 phases and their benefits, I'll come straight to your today's task. Reschedule your appointments. Pick up your calendar and go through your appointments. Take a pen and mark in the calendar weeks when which phase of your monthly cycle will take place. Now compare your appointments and the associated tasks and responsibilities to see whether they complement the phase of your cycle at that time. If you have appointments that do not match the phase of the cycle at all, try to reschedule them. For example, if you have a job interview, it will make perfect sense for this appointment to be in the 3rd phase of your cycle, because you're more communicative here and will feel more self-confident. You can trust me, that's always been the case for me in the past for my job interviews. So if possible, try to postpone this important date in your favor. So in conclusion, embracing your menstrual cycle as a superpower can positively impact your life by enhancing your work performance, personal well-being, and overall satisfaction. It's time to stop seeing your period as a burden and start recognizing it as a valuable asset. It's all about working with your body, not against it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and most important, go out there and shine. See you next time.